Greetings Arunachal, you're watching Eastern Post, and today we are shedding light on a growing concern that's been piling in our communities. We are talking about the garbage disposal. From household waste and commercial trash, the way we dispose our garbage or trash has a serious implications on our environment, health, and overall the life that we live in. But it's not just getting rid of the trash. Improper garbage disposal can even contaminate our waterways, wildlife, and even can affect our health. So join us as we dig into this important issue and know concerns surrounding on this improper garbage disposal, and find out what we and you as a human can do a step ahead to make a difference. That's all for today's report, and we hope with this coverage you have learned something valuable and importance of proper garbage disposal. Remember, every small actions count, so by making conscious choices about how we dispose our garbage and trash, we can make a big difference in our environment and our health. Thanks for joining us. You're watching Eastern Post. I'm reporter 𝙂𝙧𝙤𝙧𝙗𝙖𝙧𝙗 along with camera person 𝘾𝙤𝙧𝙤𝙧𝙗𝙖𝙧𝙗.